Okay. Okay. Let me first write the attendance. Then we will proceed. Okay. You don't tell present. I will write down. Isita of Dipjit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Let others join you.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir,
Please
Dipjot
open
for
the.
present.
Yes. Yes. Please
Sir,
open the
Akshay
notebook.
present.
Vaishnavi Dixit present, sir.
So you
Dipjot for
could.
Sir, Anuval is present.
Akshay
Sharma
present,
present, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Vaishnavi Dixit present, sir.
You need not say, I know I am able to see you in the screen. Okay. So, message any doubt is there?
No
Message.
doubt,
No,
sir.
sir. No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Okay, today we will
No,
do
sir.
notice. Okay, notice.
No doubt.
Okay. So, what is the difference between message and notice? I will tell you today. Message is totally it is total personal feelings, but notice is impersonal.
सर डायरी एंट्री में तो कल्पना चावला के बारे में ही लिखवाया था, वही लिखवाता
Yes,
सर।
yes. No,
तो
but
वैसे ही लिखना है क्या?
no, diary entry is a type of writing. Kalpana Chawla is writing her diary. That one we have done. Good morning. So today we will do notice writing. Okay.
Sir, we have to open the notebook.
Yes. No. Note down, please.
Okay.
Notice
Stop,
writing.
sir.
So before writing the notice, some tips I
Sir,
will give.
notice is written in the box only.
Please mute your mic. All of you, noise is coming. It will be disturbance if you open your mic. First one, what would be the language of the notice? So the language would be impersonal. So impersonal means about yourself. I am in diary you are writing. No, I am very sorry today. I am very happy today. In message you are writing. I got a telephone. But in diary, sorry, notice these
Sir, we
things.
have to write this.
Note down, please. Okay. So the language of the notice would be totally impersonal. Impersonal means in the objective. Yes, Arush Balya, what doubt is there? You raise your hand. Tell me. Okay, Arush, any doubt is there? No doubt. Okay. So first one, language will be impersonal in the notice. Impersonal means about my, I, our, these things will not be there in the notice. Okay. So in the square, how do you write? In the square format. Square means in the answer sheet in pencil you have to draw like this. Say, if you have to draw and within that you write the notice. This is called the square format. So the notice must be written within a square format. That is the second key. Okay. First point is language should be impersonal.
Okay,
Second,
sir.
okay. Third point we will go complete information. It should suppose you are doing a meeting. So all information about the date, time, place, everything should be there in the notice. Suppose one meeting you are doing, all the information about the meeting, the subject which will be discussed, the date,
Sir, board is not clear.
yes, yes, date, day, time, everything will be mentioned in the notice. Third thing, date of notice. Date of notice will be written.
सर थर्ड थिंग बता दीजिए सर.
Yes,
Good morning,
yes.
sir.
Okay, please note down. I will
What
go
is
to
the third thing?
Date of notice. Kirti Soil, what doubt is there?
Sir, please adjust.
Are give chance to others.
Sir,
Okay.
please tell me the third thing.
Third is on
No
which
need
day.
to adjust the camera. Everything is clear.
Please listen. On which day you
और
are.
आपने सेकंड पे क्या लिखा है?
Please write. On which day you are writing the notice that you must mention. Here no. Suppose you are writing a notice. Suppose here. Fourth every.
Sir, not fourth thing. Third thing.
Third thing is this is only complete information. I won't go to that. Complete information means what
थर्ड वाला कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन है.
I will complete information means all three information about thing. Array no noise please. About what you are writing, what is the date, what is the time, what is the place, everything will be written. Okay. Fourth point is clear. We will go to fifth. Fifth point is please mention. Okay. Signature. Sign and designation.
The board is not clear.
Okay, board is not clear. I will write with bold letters. Shall I
Code is not clear.
Okay, shall I write this?
Everything is clear, sir.
Sir,
Array, okay.
but
I will
we
enlarge the
have
board. I will enlarge the board. Now,
Sir, code is not clear. Good morning, sir.
with the board.
Sir, what is the fifth thing? Sir,
Everything
please
is clear.
tell the fifth thing.
Clear, sir.
Sir, please tell the fifth thing.
Okay, please write down the fifth point. Fourth written no. Up to fourth.
Yes, sir. Code is not present your screen.
Okay, here
Yes, sir. Fourth is written. What is the fifth thing? Please tell, sir.
सर ये हमने लैंग्वेज के बाद क्या लिखा है?
See,
ये लैंग्वेज के बाद
language impersonal. Please write down.
Sir, please tell the fifth thing.
सर लैंग्वेज के जस्ट सामने वाला. सर लैंग्वेज के सामने वाला. present your screen again.
I am coming to that. Among you don't talk. Hey, Ayan Mansuri, what are you presenting? Stop it. Ayan Mansuri, stop it. Okay. First you listen. Arey, don't ask. Listen me. First you listen. First of all, the language of the notice should be impersonal. Clear? Language of.
presenting screen.
Arey, why are you creating problem? Language of the notice must be impersonal.
सर थर्ड वाली स्पेलिंग एक बार पढ़ दो.
I am coming to third. First, I am telling you, please listen. First, you did not follow. Impersonal means about your person, myself, I, me. These things will not be written in the notice. Okay. Second is square format. You understood? This is the square. This is the square. Understood? No.
सर थर्ड वाला पढ़ दो.
In the exam, if notice is coming, please make a square. Within that, you write the notice. Within that only notice will be written.
Sir, what is the fifth thing? Please tell, sir.
What is
What is the fifth thing?
I'm
Sign
coming to
and
that.
design Akshaya.
Okay. Third is complete information. Why are you writing the notice? For example, if you want to do one meeting, about the date of the meeting, day of the meeting, time of the meeting, place of the meeting, everything should be clearly written in the notice. Otherwise, it will cause confusion. Then fourth is date of notice. On which date you are giving the notice? On which date you are writing the notice? That must be.
थर्ड वाला पढ़ दो.
Don't ask in the middle. Listen.
Sir, done.
Done.
Sir,
Now,
once more tell the fifth thing. Anyone?
fifth point I am explaining. Sign language resignation. Suppose you are the class monitor. Suppose. So your name you will write. Below that you will write class monitor. Suppose you are the principal. Your name you will write. Below that you will write your principal. Understood? So in which post you are, that is your designation. Suppose you are monitor, suppose you are group leader, suppose you are the cultural secretary, whatever in what capacity you are writing, that is your designation. Clear? Clear? No. Now I will write one model notice, you will understand better. Shall I write, children? Okay.
सर नो सर नो सर
नो सर नो सर सर
Okay.
थोड़ा सा लिखना है
I'm waiting you.
सर
please
कैमरा
complete.
को थोड़ा राइट साइड में एडजस्ट कर दो
डन सर
सर नाउ
Okay.
क्लियर सर नाउ क्लियर
Now clear. I brought to the middle. Now it is easy for you.
प्लीज आप मैसेज मत करो मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है
Okay, done. Ayan has done very good.
डन सर
Done, sir.
डन सर
Siddhika
डन
done.
सर
Done very nice.
डन
Okay, now
सर
we'll write notice. You will understand in a better way. Yes, yes.
डन सर
Okay, okay, that's nice. Suppose there is
Hardik
a.
Prajapati, mute yourself.
Arey, don't talk about each other. Please mute your mic. If you are asking only, you unmute. Otherwise, don't mute. Don't unmute. Okay. Clear. So each notice has 5 marks in your exam. Maybe notice, maybe message, maybe diary. One will come. Either notice or message or diary. One will come. That's why I am explaining you. Now.
Done, sir.
Okay, now suppose we are writing a notice about kite flying. So, kite flying competition. So, we are writing one notice about kite flying. How we will write? I will write, then you will get better knowledge about this. So, first I will draw the square. Suppose Delhi Public School. Ajmer. Suppose Delhi Public School Ajmer is conducting one kite flying competition. So on the topic heading I wrote on the top. Who is creating noise? So this is the heading. Now what we will write in the next. So first one the heading of the notice. HEADING. Clear? So the heading I wrote first. Then our next point will be suppose 16th July. So next point is the date. I wrote the date. Okay.
सर आपने स्कूल के बाद क्या लिखा है
School का नाम लिखा. Suppose Delhi Public School is conducting one kite flying competition. I wrote the name of the school. Then here subject kite flying competition. So here I am writing the subject kite flying competition. Clear? So this is the subject of the notice. Suppose you don't have any subject, you cannot write any notice. For example, suppose you are doing one meeting. So meeting of the monitors, you have to write the subject. If you are writing like this, then see language. This is to inform.
So this is the body of the language.
Yes, that is the body of the information. Very good. This is to inform that our school is organizing a guideline competition on say on date. Blank I put there one date we have to write because in which date we are doing we must mention the date. So next interested students can
Interested students can give their name.
names to
Sir, please adjust the camera to the down.
okay. Interested students can yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now it is.
sir. No, no.
Array,
Adjust the camera to the down.
they don't wait.
Okay,
wait,
sir.
wait.
Okay, sir.
This much I am holding
Yes, sir.
it.
Now, okay.
If I leave it is going down.
सर थोड़ा
हाँ।
स्लाइड करिए बार बार
Names to here I am continuing. It is visible, no?
सर गिव टू द कैमरा सर प्लीज थोड़ा साइड करो
पर आपने नोटिस के बाहर वाला सेंटेंस क्या लिखा है?
Okay, you complete. You will write then. Interested students.
राइट साइड में कर दो कैमरा
Sir, please don't drop. Sir, please don't drop. Sir, please don't drop. Sir, don't drop.
Who is that? Hey, don't say anything. Don't ask.
सर एक्सपेक्ट टू द कैमरा
So this I am writing.
Sir, don't drop, please.
Okay, interested students can give their names to
The camera.
teacher. On our report,
सर कैमरा राइट साइड कर दो
give one date on our report. So before one date you must give. That will be the last date. Giving names.
सर
Okay.
कैमरा थोड़ा राइट साइड कर दो
They don't give.
कैमरा राइट साइड कर दो
They already everything is.
Sir, all is okay. Don't do anything.
I will remove if you create disturbance.
Sir, please adjust the camera.
If you already understand, contact the undersigned for details. Undersigned for details. Okay. So this is the content of the notice. So you are person who is giving the notice, head boy. So head boy is the designation of sign. This is the signature.
Sir, infrared के बाद क्या लिखा है?
After which, इसके बाद
Infrared.
here. इधर एक क्या?
No, sir. IN वो F वो infrared के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Here.
Yes, sir.
On इधर blank में रख दिया हूँ. जो डेट में करेंगे कंपटीशन उसी डेट लिखेंगे. Clear?
Okay, sir.
जिस डेट में कंपटीशन होगा वो डेट लिखेंगे इसलिए ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया. ओके इधर भी ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया हूँ जिस डेट में करेंगे डेट लिखेंगे नाम देंगे. ओके Okay. Arey, who is that? Hey, who is that disturbing the class?
Akshaya
talk.
sir.
Don't talk with each other. Listen.
Akshaya.
Okay, don't talk with others. Listen. Then you see this is the notice. If notice is coming, you have to write like this. First of all, the heading, then the date, then the subject.
Right, please.
Okay. Okay. Okay, done. So this is the heading. This is the date. This is the subject.
Done, sir.
The notice, and this is the highlight designation below. If you are writing like this, you will get 5 marks. 5 out of 5 you will get. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will go for diary entry. Notice is clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay.
Yeah, notice.
Any doubt is there? You please ask.
Sir, please write, please.
Okay. Okay. Please note down.
Sir, board is not clear.
Nothing is clear means how will you read? Try. Put your eyes properly. आप कंप्लेन नहीं तो कंप्लेन नहीं आएगा जिंदगी में. एडजस्ट करना सीखो बेटा. हम एडजस्ट करते हैं. ओके.
Okay, sir, done, sir.
One, very good. Now we will go to diary entry.
Done, sir.
Okay. So diary entry will
Wait a minute.
please complete quickly.
Done, sir.
Very good. Done.
Done, sir. You can rub this.
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. You can rub
Sir,
this.
Yes, sir, you can rub, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir, you can rub.
what I will do? Hey,
Yes, sir. You can rub.
hey. What I will do. Don't tell me. Don't tell me anything. अभी जो आवाज करेगा उसको निकाल दूंगा. Hey, I will remove if you talk. Keep quiet. Some are creating disturbance.
Sir, Gunjan is
Okay.
creating disturbance.
From this, we will go to diary. चला इसको now.
सर ये बॉक्स मत मिटाना.
Yes,
बॉक्स मत मिटाओ सर.
Cannot drop. Okay, I will wait 1 second. You please complete.
You can rub. Sir, Gunjan is creating disturbance.
Okay, okay. Now you see, you don't ask. If you send anything through WhatsApp, you send. I will open and see. Don't talk.
Sir, Kinjal.
Arey Kinjal, what are you doing? Complaint is there against you? Anusha is done. Ritika is done. Okay, okay. You can rub. Anushi is there. Don't talk. You please send by WhatsApp.
Yes, Dika, do not talk.
Okay. Now, now, so if at all message and notice and diary entry is coming, please write it.
Gunjan seriously waits, yeah.
Okay, now diary entry. So in Kalpana Chawla you have written, but still I am writing for your Dika. So diary, what is the difference between personal diary and notice? It is totally personal. It is totally personal language. Notice is impersonal, but diary is personal. So you have to write your own feelings and own emotion and feeling. Own emotion and feelings will be written.
Dhamma.
Okay. Own emotion and feeling will be written. Okay. Chat box I have opened. Who is that? I told no. Yes. What are you asking, Akshay? What are you asking? Send. Write down, please. Write down. Within the square. So in pencil you draw the
Sir,
square.
please adjust the camera to the right side. It is not visible.
Okay. Okay now.
Okay,
So
sir.
within the square it will be written. Notice it is totally personal. And see, in the exam, suppose word limit is asked. Please stick to the word limit. Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me I told no. In WhatsApp you send. Okay. Then you see how the diary will be written. I will tell you. So the basic difference is that in notice we are writing impersonal language. In diary entry we are writing the personal. Suppose this is the diary entry. Generally what happens at the end of the day we are writing the diary. So date, day, time.
सर हमें ये लिखना है.
You note down, it will be useful for you. Suppose you got first division in the exam, you are congratulated by your parents, by your friends, by your relatives. How do you feel? You will write your diary entry. How will you write? I am telling you. So how to begin? Dear diary. Then you start from here. I am very happy today. So suppose the occasion is happy. Always you don't write happy. Suppose you failed in the exam.
Sir, board is not clear.
Yes.
Sir, all is clear.
Clear. So I
All
got
is clear, sir.
first prize in art competition. So I am writing the diary in a happy mood because I got first prize in the art competition. Suppose you got first in art competition, what would be your feelings? Okay. My family members and friends, this side I am writing. And friends, congrats. So, okay. There was a celebration in the house. So suppose your parents wanted to share the happiness with others, they gave a party to others. So that may be the cause of celebration. Done.
नो सर, वो दिख नहीं रहा जहाँ पे दूसरे साइड लिखा।
2 and
Sir, please side.
see, this is the ending line. I pray God to grant me happiness always. So suppose you are on
Sir, side please.
So here, here you are writing your name, Amit. Okay. So this is
Sir,
a
where's the camera?
yes. Okay, okay.
Down. Yes, sir.
Nice. Now it is nicely visible. You can note down. If at all diary entry message or notice is coming, it is very clear. Okay.
सर थोड़ा
So,
और
और कहाँ करेंगे? So, okay, okay. I am trying. Okay.
No, sir.
Now it is able to.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, सही है.
Very nice. You please write down. Now it is visible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done writing revision also, grammar also we have done, and I hope you will do well in the exam when you go. Note down, please. Then you see what else? One on-sheet passage will come, grammar will come, writing will come, and question answer will come. Okay. So
Done, sir.
done, very good.
Done,
Now, Kalpana,
There was a celebration.
Done, sir.
okay. Yes, nice. Now,
Done,
Kalpana
sir.
Chawla, some revision you will do. Kalpana Chawla, something I will teach. You have already read, but for your remembrance. Because the exam
Yes,
is there.
sir.
Yes. Now you see about the summary I will tell. Please listen. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut. Which one? I pray God to grant me happiness always. Amit is the person who is writing the diary. His name is Amit.
You can write our name also, na?
Completed, sir.
You please send in WhatsApp. Okay. Are Kinjal, what are you presenting?
Children present.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Now you see summary of the story I will read. Those who have any doubt about Kalpana Chawla, they are welcome. They can ask. Okay. So,
Sir, don't drop this side. Done, sir.
see, who was Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla was an Indian girl. Yes, yes. Below you can write. Okay. American astronaut.
She was born in Karnal in Haryana.
Yes. She was an American astronaut. She was of Indian origin. As she told that she was born in
She went to US for her further studies.
Yes. She did her bachelor's degree in aeronautic
And her
engineering.
PhD also.
Yes. And she married whom she married?
To earn her PhD.
Flight instructor.
She married Jean Pierre Harrison. Jean.
मैंने बुला रही है.
She married Jean Pierre Harrison, who was
He born in India in
He was a
flight
private
instructor.
Please listen. And
She married flight. Mary
became
Johnson
the naturalized citizen of America.
Harrison, who was an American citizen
Yes.
who worked in a flight instructor.
Very nice, very nice. So she went to NASA. NASA is the space agency of America. She got training as flight instructor and also she flew for a long time.
हाँ 50% अलर्ट वर्षे.
Yes. So she went there, got the training and also flew for a long hour. At last, she was instructed to join there as a space astronaut. So she joined there. She was sent to Space Shuttle Columbia. So Columbia is the name of the space shuttle in which Kalpana was boarding. So 6 other members were there along with Kalpana. So what happened? There was the spacecraft broke and Kalpana along with others died in the spacecraft. So this is the tragedy. Tragedy means a sorrowful happening. That what was the sorrowful happening? Because she along with 6 died. So she was 40 years. When she died, she was 3 years old. 40 years of age. Okay. So she was called a heroine in India because she was an Indian girl but showed her talent. And she was asked by the journalist, did you feel anything inconvenient being a lady? She told, no, I never felt. I am a girl. I am a lady. I am equal with the boys. So, yes. Okay. She was an inspiration for India. What?
Vedant, please mute yourself.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Don't talk. Any doubt is there, you can put in WhatsApp. Okay. So she was.
No, sir, no doubt.
She was advising the Indian students that if you have a dream, you please pursue that dream. Don't leave that dream at back. So that's why Kalpana Chawla is called a heroine. Okay. So Akshay is requesting, please mute yourself, everyone. This is my humble request. Please oblige her request and mute yourself. So Kalpana was an Indian girl. She went from NASA and she was an inspiration for millions of Indians. Because being Indian, who should feel proud that one among us could go to America, to the States and make a name for herself, like Kalpana Chawla. Okay. So from Kalpana Chawla, question answers will come. For example, question like which was Kalpana's first mission in the space? First mission was Columbia. Columbia was the first mission of Kalpana. How was her experience in space? She went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers.
And she has done more than 80 experiments.
Yes. How many days Columbia was in space?
Sir, 16 days.
16 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes.
16 days.
Ah,
So,
very
how
nice.
many days, 16 hours, 34 minutes.
Yes, I got the answer.
times around the earth, traveling
How many
10.42
were there with Kalpana? How many were there?
7 crews.
6 or
The
7?
7 crew members.
Okay.
So 7
So,
that contain Ukraine and American astronauts.
yes, very good. How can you say Kalpana is a bold girl? How can
Because
you
she touch the sky.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
She was
please repeat the
literally-
question.
How can you say Kalpana was
She
a bold
was
girl?
an Indian born girl who went to the America and she touched the
She was
sky.
the first Indian
She
woman to
fulfilled her dreams.
touch the sky.
Okay, 1 point you can get. She achieved what she desired. If you write this, your answer is complete. She achieved what she desired. I will write this. You please note.
Okay, sir.
Kalpana was a gold girl because she achieved what she
She
desired.
was a gold girl because she was the first Indian woman to go to the space.
Yes. What she desired.
Sir, she was the first Indian woman
Yes, you write your answer
to
and
go
add
in
this
the
sentence.
space.
Yes. Okay. So children,
तो
this
ये
much.
भी हो सकता है ना she achieved what she dreamed.
After writing the answer, you can write, she achieved what she desired. Okay. Okay, children, this much for today. We will continue further in forthcoming classes. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye bye, sir.
Please
Bye
maintain.
bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching
Bye,
us.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.